Hey my loves, so I got my hair done and I actually got it done for free. Yes, free 99. If you haven't heard, Mayvenn is giving away free installs with purchase. All you gotta do is go to their website and purchase 3 items or more and they will provide the install for you. So for me, I went ahead and went with a gorgeous body wave texture. I got 3 bundles and a frontal. My stylist went ahead and installed. I'm gonna jump to some clips and show you guys a little bit about my behind the scenes install. I had so much fun working with KB. She was the stylist that I chose. Although she only used, I believe, 2.5 bundles and a frontal, she did an amazing job. This is about 2 days later. I went ahead and touched up the curls a little bit myself so they still have a nice bounce to them. I didn't add any extra product and I believe the install looks super gorgeous. So I did film for you guys just a little bit because I definitely was gapping my mouth and we were listening to music and we had such a ball, and I was able to pick the stylist myself, which is so important. I know all of us are super picky about our hair, who touches it, who does it, and all of that, so they definitely allowed me to pick the stylist myself. But of course I'll jump into all those details in a moment. For now, let's go ahead and jump into my behind the scenes clip of me getting my hair washed, braided up, blow dry. You guys can see a little bit of the length of my natural hair, and then of course the gorgeous style, and then I'll be back to give you guys all the details and thoughts on my experience. So before we head to the salon, I want to give you a quick peek at the hair. These are the cute little bags that the hair comes in. You get 3 bags, 1 for each bundle, and also you get your bigger bag with the frontal. Here is the frontal itself. They do provide baby hair. The lace is a perfect color for my brown skin tone. It's not going to be too light or transparent. This is Peruvian body wave, and the body wave texture does match the frontal perfectly, which I was excited about. This here says love your hair and it will love you back, and this is pretty much a manual on how to care for your hair. Okay, so I've made it to the salon. We've just taken out my 2 braids. You guys know I always wear my 2 braids, and I'm gonna go ahead and get washed and blow dried and do a braid up, so I'll take you guys through that process. There's music in here, so it's copyright, so I'm going to go ahead and do a speed up, and then we'll be back. So the first thing my stylist did was to go ahead and detangle my natural hair. While she did this, she did go over like what I wanted as far as my entire service goes. So we did just opt for a shampoo and condition. Of course, I could have done a deep condition, but I did also care for my hair before the service, which I always do. She was light on the hand, but she did amazing when it came to my hair wash and getting that good scrub. Next up was the blow dry. Quick length check. I don't know if you can really tell, my hair has grown about ½ an inch to an inch since then I have delivered my baby. This was taken when I was 9 months pregnant, so about a month ago. And she did go ahead and blow dry, and watch this. She starts at the very end and works her way up. If your stylist is not starting at the ends with your detangle, she's not doing it right, or he. Next up was the braid up, and I will say she was very light on the hand. Normally I'm like scrunched up and I am nervous and my eyes are watering, but she did amazing. She also did the ball cap method, and she did it very professional. You guys know when I do it on my channel, it does not look like that. She did sew in all of the bundles. I provided 3 bundles for Mayvenn, and she only used 2.5, and she did give me my other half of bundle back. Then she did go ahead and install the frontal. We did glue it down. I believe she used the Ghost Bond, and it came out super nice. At this point she was blow drying it out, and then she did go ahead and curl it and style it very nicely. And here's a shot of what she did. We opted to keep the hair in its natural lengths. We did not do any layers or anything like that, and she definitely was able to slay and achieve a nice look with minimal product. She didn't put much product on the crown of the head or on the curls, which was fine with me because I'm pretty good at styling my hair at home. So in my final clip, you will see that I am going to go ahead and add product. I added a little bit of wax to the top, and I also did recurl the hair because you will see in the end I do the outro 2 days later. But get a load of how beautiful the texture of this hair is. It's nice and bouncy, and it holds a curl very well. Okay, so focus. I just got my hair done. I kind of want to show you the curls before they drop because we didn't add any like holding spray. But I am going to head home. I am going to beat my face because I'm trying to get fabulous for the night. And I will show you my hair and I will talk about my experience. Absolutely loved the stylist. I actually got her contact information because I'm definitely going to be using her when I need my hair done. And I don't want to do it myself. So yeah, I just wanted to show you really quickly. I think she got a clip for me of the back of the curls, but I wish I can do my curls this good because, to be honest with you guys know I cannot curl this good, and this is what I'm trying to curl like. So I'll be back with a cute little clip at the end to let you know about my experience, but this is the first and initial look. So that was pretty much it. Again, I came to the salon literally with just my bundles, my frontal, and I was able to get everything done. I believe she got all of my hair installed in about 4 hours or so. May have been a little bit less. She gave me a nice wash, which you guys know, if you've ever had your hair washed in a salon, it feels so good. She was nice and light-handed on the braiding because I'm definitely tender-headed when it comes to my braid ups and my detangling and all that. The install was super quick, even the styling was super quick, and she did an awesome job, and the hair itself is super gorgeous. I did choose the Peruvian body wave, so if you are wondering which body wave is the best, I haven't tried the Malaysian just yet, but the Peruvian is absolutely gorgeous. It holds a curl nicely, and also it has a lot of bounce to it. And as you guys can see, this is only 2.5 bundles and a frontal, and it is super full. Like, even I was amazed, like, this is just 2.5 bundles. Amazing. The sewing itself is super flat, as you guys can see, and super natural. I'm actually thinking about keeping this look for my labor and delivery. As you guys know, I am 9 months pregnant, out of breath, and due literally any day, any moment, and I definitely think this will be the perfect look for my delivery. Now let me break down to you a few details about the actual process. So all you have to do is click the link in my description bar. From there, you'll be able to go over to Mayvenn's website and choose the hair of your choice. Once you go ahead and purchase 3 items, they will allow you to choose a stylist in your area. Literally, all you have to do is type in your zip code, and from there, they will give you a full list of all the stylists in your area. You can choose the one that you want. You can do your research, look them up on Instagram, or look at the pictures that they provide. And from there, you will be connected to that stylist. And then once you set your appointment, all you do is pay with your voucher. When you get there, bring your bundles. Don't forget your bundles. And also don't forget to tip. So after the service, we did go ahead and take a few pictures of my hair. We both love the way the curls came out. I pretty much just opted for a natural, you know, big body wave curls, and she did an amazing job. And if you want custom things done, she even bleached my knots, which came out amazing. But if you do want something specific like hair dye and all that, you may have to pay for that stuff out of your pocket. But your install, your wash, your braid up, all of that is included in your package, and pretty much that's it. I literally had no complaints throughout my entire install. Even after the fact, I came home and hubby was feeling my hair, and he loved how flat it was and how natural it looks. And again, this is something that can last me a few weeks with no problems at all. So go ahead and let me know what you guys think of this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, shout out to my girl KB. She definitely did an awesome job slaying my hair. Thank you, Mayvenn, for the free install. All of you, make sure that you hit the description bar so that you can go ahead and click the link and shop the bundles that I chose. Or if you want something a little bit different, they definitely have bundles, they have wigs and all that ready for you guys to purchase. And again, you'll get a free install if you get 3 items or more for purchase. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!